Here's all the junk that we pulled out. Here's some more junk that we pulled out. I've got some stuff that's going to the dump soon. Oh, there's some more over there. Well, all right, we're back again. I went ahead and taken a load to the dump. So this is everything. Fills up the back of the Tahoe there. So I've got some nails and things that came out of the wood, and those, I don't know if I want to salvage those drawer things, but they do work, but they need to be cleaned up if they're going to be used again. We'll see. I'm going to pick up all these little metal things, sweep off the patio, and then I can go to the dump. But currently this is the status. It's still the way it was, but just getting the load to the dump, so I got more room to tear down. And still on the docket for removing or shutting off the electrical. The spiders moved out from over there that were there last time. And yeah, at least this will be good progress. And then I'll probably go ahead and see if I can get these today. I believe I can even fit the fridge in the Tahoe. It'll be close, but we'll see. Anyway, that's it for now.